I need urgent rescue aid. An elephant is being constricted by a giant python.
This is PO_1. What is the situation?
Okay, team, this is critical. We need to move fast.
That calf won't last long alone. All right, let's get this loaded up. Careful with that spray. Hey! Over here! We need help! Move! Move! Go! Go!
Secure the area.
Roger that! Spray!
Easy now. Almost there. Hold it. Pull.
Easy. Push! Lock it! You saved them. You really saved them.
Respiration heavy, but regular.
Extensive bruising, abdomen and femoral area.
It's all right now, just a little something to help.
It's okay, girl, this'll help. Easy now, easy. You did so well.
They are magnificent creatures. We must protect them.
Easy now, steady. Almost there. All right, team, let's move efficiently. We need to prioritize the calves.
Understood, sir. Everything is ready for the transfer.
Easy now, nice and slow. Watch your step right there, big girl.
Everything looks stable for now? Good. Let's monitor her closely.
Ensure the calibration is precise, Doctor. We need a clear image of the thorax.
Confirmed. Activating the sequence now.
I can't thank you enough, honestly. We're just glad we found you in time, sir.
I cannot thank you enough for saving them.
We were glad to help, sir. They are safe now.